Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great day. Well, it was back in July of 2020. I owned the Vivo Active watch by Garmin, and the original one, and it's been a great watch. Ended up getting the Garmin Fenix 6 sapphire titanium watch. It's been great for me. I wanted a watch that's going to be good for hiking and also good battery life, lightweight, and just looks great. And this watch definitely did the trick. It's been great, and what an upgrade it was going from the Vivo Active. So then I see the Fenix 7's coming out, and I thought, all right, I'm going to get the Fenix 7. The features look great, but then I saw the Epix Gen 2, and this watch looks awesome. And then I was deciding which color to go with. So finally, as I had time to think about which one I was going to get, because it was really hard to find one in stock, I ended up going with this color. Although I like the bezel on the Fenix 6, what they've done with the white and the white around the edges, I just didn't like. If it had the gray edges like it did have on the Fenix 6, I think I would have gone that route. So I'm excited to have a larger face, which is going to be great. It's going to be touchscreen, and then AMOLED display looks great. People say they love it. It's going to be awesome. One of the things, this is just going to be a really short video just to sharing with you as I got it, and I look forward to sharing with you as I start using it. Couple of things. I just put the plug back in the bottom of the watch that I had on my Fenix 6. Some people say not to put it because the connector could, have some issues. I had no issues with my plug when I put that in there. So I got these little silicone plugs, and I'll put a link to them, and it's perfect. The other thing that I have on my Fenix 6, which I'll put on the Epix 2, is a screen protector. Some people say you don't need it. I felt like it gave me peace of mind, and so I'm going to get a screen protector as well. Once I get that, I'll put a link to the one I get. The one I thought I forgot, and the face size is a little bigger, which is going to be nice. I don't like a heavy watch, and I don't want a face that's going to be too big, and this seems like it's perfect, which is great. The last thing I just wanted to share with you, if you are new and thinking about getting a Garmin Fenix 6 or 7, or in my case, the Epix 2, they do have these bezel covers. Now, I had another Fenix 6 watch, and the bezel got scratched when I had this on there. I took it off. I was like, wow, that was a pretty bad scratch. Luckily, I was able to change it out, and I got another one, and I never used it once I got the replacement. And so I just say, proceed with caution with these. You might get something stuck underneath it. For me, I have a wristband, and so if I'm going to go out hiking, I could put the watch underneath my wristband in case I'm worried about really scratching it. But it does have some scratches, but it's really hard to prevent them. But nothing that is really that horrible. So there you go. Now I'm going to sell it, and looking forward to getting rid of that, and looking forward to getting this charged up and learning how to use it. And now I got to reprogram the faces and all that good stuff. So lots to learn. I'm looking forward to that. Wanted to, again, just to put together a short video. Look forward to sharing with you an update as I get going with the watch. And once I, again, get the other screen protector, I'll share that as well. And I appreciate you joining me today. Thanks so much. And be sure to leave any comments if you got the Epix Gen 2, any tips, how you liking it, and look forward to learning from you as well. Have a great day. Thanks so much for joining me. Take care.